everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to edit your product photo super easily without using Photoshop. And here we are going to use Google brand new tools that powered by NANO. It's no complex software, just simple edits with AI in a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account because you will need it to access the tools. And once you're inside Gemini, look at the tools icons. This one, just tap on it and then just tap on the create images. This one. Now just upload your product photo and then upload your reference photo for the concept that you want. For example, I already edited a product photo before by writing a prompt like this. Generates a product photo like the first photo using grapefruit green scan like this. And then Nano Banana generated the product photo to perfectly match that reference like this. Next, just let's try another prompt to edit the product photo even more. For example, I will type a prompt like this. For example, like this, and then just tap on generate. Like this, as you can see, the photo now looks more dramatic. And then let's try another one. For example, like this. Like this, and then just hit generate. And okay, like this, the results looks incredible. And what's even better is that it keeps the look from the previous edit while adding the new elements. You can see it keeps the look from the previous edits like this. So this feature is truly amazing because you can keep experimenting with different prompts until you're completely happy with the results. And okay, that's it. You have just learned how to edit product photo quickly and easy without Photoshops using Gemini and Nano Banana. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.